Hi everybody, thanks for coming. So today is just a quick video of a simple fix of a fairly bad problem on this M18 b10 inflator. So these are a pretty good unit. This is a friend of mine and they dropped it in, and what was happening was you turn it on, you set your PSI, hook it to a tyre, and then you press start and it would start inflating, blow up to 70 or 80 psi, which would then shut it off. Then it would test, realise it's under the 50, so it starts up again and keeps going. So it's just purging on, off, slowly inflating but really not doing it right. So the problem with this was the connector and hose. This one is off of a farm, and so it's around all stubble and dirt and hay and those sorts of things. And I think what was happening was this was being screwed onto a fitting that had hay in the fitting, and as you screw this on, it purges a little bit of air out of the tyre, and it was actually blowing hay and stubble into this connector. So we can see, so what I found was that in this little part down in here, there's a little gap there on the sides, and there was straw stuck there. So I just had to use this dental pick and pick away at it and just keep going until I got it all out. Put it in there, purge a bit of air, and then pick a bit more and keep going until it cleared up. Just keep pressing the power button here, and that would blow it through and then dig it out again, and just slowly keep going, and finally got there that it was no longer blowing stuff out, and now it's working perfect again. So a fairly easy fix, just takes a bit of time and a dental tool just to pick it out, and all fixed. Thanks for coming, and hope you got something from it. See you again. Bye.